Hi guys, Michelle here. I want to show you how I did my blog post. We do not want a blog post when we post it like on our fan page to look like this. Even though this is a link from, I think, my Instagram account, we still, if it's not the correct size, if we're not using the correct size images, then the images are going to be over here on the side. And then it's going to have the text over here. We want our blog post to take up the whole timeline, like this last one I did. See that? This is so cool. So basically when you actually click on that, it opens up the whole blog post and it opens in a new browser. And there it is. I even have the video audio autoplay. Now I'm going to show you what I did, guys. I'm going to show you what I did on this blog post, okay? So I've got my sidebar set up. I have a couple of testimonials. I need to add a few more. I added the link to my Facebook fan page. I added my categories. This is an image widget that links to an opt-in form to my training course. And this is a link that links to my Legends Network page, okay? And another testimonial, and this actually links right to my front page, which has an opt-in form. Now, how I did the actual blog post, okay? What you do is you go to New Post. You want to do a blog post because only on a post you can assign it categories, okay? So the first thing I did, guys, is I chose a cool image, and I actually took this image right here and I went to paint here, and I just made it the correct size, which is 484 by 254. So I made it that size. I added this text on there, and that's what this is. So I added this by clicking Add Media, Upload Files. I just added the file, but when I added this, I also added it as a featured image. Don't forget to do that, okay? Then I added just a really quick snippet, and I actually did that in 14, and I did Arial Black as my, this is what I had it look like. And then I did center this because it is just a really short snippet because my video is on autoplay, and I actually probably should make my video a little bit bigger. Let's see how big it is. It could probably stand to be a little bit wider so that it's flush with everything. And all I do to do that, guys, is I just go to right here and I can just change the size to custom size, and I can change that to maybe 700, and it will automatically give me the measurements, and then I just grab that, okay? And I have a video on how to embed your video, okay? And what I did to make this autoplay, okay, is here is the code for that. What I did is right here, this was not there, okay? So what this was wherever the YouTube link is at the very end before the quotation, I just added and, excuse me, I already had that semicolon. So all I did was I add autoplay equals, it's and autoplay equals 1 actually. So it's and, oh gosh, sorry, and autoplay equals 1. That's what I added, okay? Before it was just the link ending with a 0 and then a quotation. You add and autoplay equals 1, and that's all you do to make this autoplay, okay? And then what I did is I have an opt-in form that's a short code, and that's what gave me this. That is a plugin, okay? So I have the short code for that. Then what I did, guys, is this was something I had created way back when, and I just took it and I just swiped it. And then I also included the short code for my newsletter or for my testimonials. And there they are. So, basically what I did is I just went to one of my other blog posts and I just swiped it. I just went to one of my previous blog posts and I just went like this. I just went, and I copied it. Okay? And that's all I did. I actually went to Edit Post and I took everything, I swiped it from Edit Post, and then I went to the actual post and I just copied it. I just copied it on there, okay? Then what I did is I then went to the categories. I always assigned it to the blog because I want it to show up in my blog. I also assigned it social media, Facebook, and a tutorial. Then what I did here, WordPress SEO by Yoast, what this is this will allow you to, this is what will appear if it appears on Google, okay, or anywhere else, like whenever it shows it posting in Facebook, this is where what's going to appear. This was what I typed down here. So this right here is the meta description, which is right here, okay? This is the actual URL, okay, which is when you publish it, it's right here, okay? That's what the URL is, and that's the title, which is the title right up here, okay? So I added the categories, I added the meta description, so I had some information here, and I even had a call to action. I said click here. See, it says click here, and it tells you how many characters you have left too, so it shows you how to do that. And allow comments, allow trackbacks. A trackback and a pingback means if you have it linked to somewhere else on your website, it just allows it to all connect. That's fine. That's going to be set up by default. So I just wanted to show you what I did for this blog post, and this is what it looks like, guys. And so I went and I went and posted this in a bunch of groups, and I even got some likes, and I got some hits. So let's see how many hits I've gotten from Facebook so far today. I've gotten 51 hits. So so I got a few hits from just posting it in a few groups, and so it shows you that I've also got some hits from YouTube, and I even got a couple from Google. So, and that's probably because it was a video that I embedded, so, and that automatically goes to my Google Plus account. So if you have any questions, let me know, but make sure that your image is the correct size. And I also took my image and I linked it to my front page, because otherwise when someone clicks on it, it will just pop up as the image. So I took this, I clicked on it, and I linked it to my front page, and I opened it in a new window. Okay, so that's what I did for this, guys, and I'll have a little checklist for you as well, but I just want to show you what I did. All right, see ya.